this is some kind of glass, maybe plexiglass. Looks like plexiglass. Then we got your filter screens. I don't know what these are for. Maybe there's a plutonium on them or something. I have no clue. Another one. And then this one here is the big money. There's another one. On top of this one yet. Three filters, screens, and then this one here is the pixel screen. Turn it around here. These are all attached right on there somehow with the glue. Some of them started to riffle off. I'm just going to take them off with a knife. Cut them off. So, tell me if I did everything right or if I did something wrong. If you can make more money selling the parts on eBay, more power to you. I'm not set up for that yet. Comment, like, subscribe. Hit the bell and you get notifications. I don't put videos out very often, but I have a label printer I want to do a video on. I just haven't had time, and this was a big bulky project and I needed to get it done right away, so that's why I'm doing this one first. So thanks for all you scrappers out there who have videos out there. I watch them randomly, and thanks again for watching. Have a good day.